Hello, all. Every day is a new opportunity to shape your reality. The world around you is a reflection of your thoughts. The secret teaches us that we are the creators of our lives, that our minds are powerful tools that can manifest our desires. Today, take a moment to reflect on the power of your thoughts. You have the ability to attract anything you want in your life: health, love, wealth, and happiness. All of it begins within you. Start by focusing on what you truly want. Visualize it, feel it, and believe that it's already yours. As you focus on these thoughts, you will draw those desires towards you like a magnet. Take inspired action. The law of attraction is not just about thinking, it's about aligning your thoughts with positive, purposeful actions. Every step you take brings you closer to the life you are creating. Remember, the universe is always working in your favor. Trust in it. Trust in your ability to attract the life you want. If you are focused on joy, abundance, and gratitude, that is exactly what you will receive in return. You are worthy of everything good in this world. Embrace your power. Today is a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to live your best life. The universe is on your side. Believe in the magic of today. The world is full of endless possibilities, and it all starts with you. Thank you for listening. And if you are interested in learning more about powerful transformative teachings that can impact your daily life, I invite you to dive deeper into my content. These secret daily teachings have the potential to unlock new levels of personal growth, mindfulness, and wisdom. They are designed to help you navigate your day with intention, clarity, and purpose. So, if you are ready to take the next step into your journey, I encourage you to check out my playlist. You will find carefully curated videos that will guide you through each lesson one day at a time. The playlist is in Hindi language, so it is very easy to understand. And please don't miss out on this opportunity to transfer your daily routine. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. Once again, thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you, and thank you so much, universe.